Banana.
They like banana.
Yeah.
Oh.
So the striped ones, those are called Sergeant Major, aka
Sergeant.
bread police.
Oh my god.
These little brown ones, you
Yes.
have shrub, or some of them otherwise known as parrotfish.
Parrotfish.
Also have a few jack that run around.
Yeah,
Look, this
fish-
big one, this
Uh-huh.
big one, it's the jack. I
The
have
jack.
one for my dinner last night.
Oh no.
I have a nice one for my dinner last night.
So cute. They're feeding fish with bread
Alright,
and with
Mommy.
banana.
Mommy, try to throw the bread like outwards from the boat. They
Uh-huh.
don't like coming too close.
Yes. Он говорит, just a moment. No, 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 no,
Let
no.
me video you
It's okay.
Throwing in the water.
No, it's okay. Oh my God! Jesus! Hallelujah! Show me, Alex.
Let it go back.
Jesus Christ. Can I see? Can I see? Then we're gonna let it go. Let me film it.
No, you can't have him too long. You gotta go back in.
But I need to film it.
But you can't have him too long. You gotta go back in. Where's your food?
I'm not having him too long. I'm not having him at all.
You don't have him too long.
Смотрите на это чудовище.
Get him easier.
Обдолбались и ржут, как кони.
Because he's like easier, dog.
У меня такое чувство, что на Ямайке все обдолбанные с утра до ночи. Да, Масик?
Yeah, yeah.
Начался день, они вначале ром накатили, потом пошли вести машину, вести этот боут.
Hey! Come on up. Finish feeding them, mommy?
Gorgeous. So what is the name of this fish? Yellow and black?
Sergeant Major.
Say it again.
Sergeant Major, aka bread police. Yeah, they arrest all the bread that came at the spot. Show us some more, mommy. See if they don't take it all away.
Туда, подальше.
Подальше.
Да, да, потому что они боятся подплывать близко.
Give them some breakfast. Right.
How did you catch the fish? On what?
Line, hook.
Yeah, just a hook?
Yeah.
You didn't put anything
Yeah,
on the
piece of
hook?
bread. Just a
Ah,
piece of
okay,
bread.
okay. Красота. Do you take people to do snorkeling here?
Yep. These fish, they follow you like a puppy.
Really?
So you're snorkeling, going on.
Oh, nice.
You look behind you, 100 of them following you like a little puppies.
It's nice. Some men should learn from the fish. Right, PJ?
Yeah, some of them.
What is this little island? Is it private?
It's the Booby Key Island.
What is
So
it?
that island, the locals, they have it as a picnic area where you can get the best garlic butter lobster, king crabs.
Can we go there?
Yeah, you can. We normally do a shuttle. When it's also a person, we take you over, leave you, and you tell us what time you want us to pick you up back, and we get you back over to your resort.
Really? That's cool.
Comes a little later.
But can we like go around the island?
We're gonna pass by.
Ah, wonderful.
Yeah,
Okay.
so you get a little
So what is the name of this island?
Booby Key.
Booby
It's
Key.
the Booby Key Island.
It's a booby and a key.
Yeah. So you know,
I know.
like back in the days, we used to have a lot of birds over there. But a lot of guests, they go across and they trouble the nests, the eggs, so the birds, they migrate. No more birds right now.
No more.
Yeah.
Only crazy tourists.
Put it in the glass. Put it in the glass. Put it in the glass.
Alright. We're gonna go around this island. Мы сейчас проплывем по этому острову. Точнее, подплывем к этому острову, чтобы... It is so cool. I'm standing on the glass. Чтобы посмотреть, там местные делают пикники. А также они за $12 туда доставляют. И там можно покушать. И они говорят, что там самый лучший лобстер ты можешь попробовать. Как-то так. Очень красивый остров, конечно, море необыкновенное. Я довольна, что мы сюда приехали. У меня было много сомнений, но в принципе все требования, которые я имела, чтобы было хорошее море, песочек, еда и хороший отель, все эти требования выполнены. Я всегда ездила на Арубу, Аруба мне очень нравилась и очень безопасная. Ямайка не совсем безопасная, поэтому у меня были некоторые сомнения. Но мы еще не покидали резорт. Но я думаю, что покинем скоро. Сейчас мы поедем вокруг этого острова. What is this hotel like?
Which one? Sandals.
Sandals? Oh.
I'm gonna show you them a little closer. Don't worry.
No, that's okay. I have a good camera.